Hey, what's up? This is Mark at Alchemist.camp, where we learn Elixir and Phoenix by building things. We're going to build a new Phoenix 1.4 app. By popular request, it's going to be a chat server that uses channels. And this video is a series overview. Let's start by looking at what's new in Phoenix 1.4. First of all, there's a new channel syntax. This is to make it easier to use custom transports, and it's also to fix a bug, which I never encountered, but I guess there was a bug in Phoenix 1.3 and earlier. Another big change is the move from Brunch to Webpack for building the front-end assets. Previously, Phoenix used Brunch, which I believe was because it's lighter weight and it was pretty easy to get started with. However, it's pretty clear that Webpack has won, at least amongst front-end developers, and it's easier to go along with what everyone else is doing. And also, Webpack 4 isn't as difficult to work with as some of the earlier ones were. The Erlang server that Phoenix uses, called Cowboy, has also been upgraded. Previously, Phoenix could only use Cowboy 1.0, which only supported HTTP 1, and now we can support HTTP 2. I believe Cowboy is now in version 2.5 or something like that. But in any case, Phoenix 1.4 and later, you can use newer versions of Cowboy. And Ecto has also hit another major version, and that is supported in Phoenix 1.4. So let's talk a little bit about the project we're going to build. It's going to be a chat server, which is nothing groundbreaking, but we'll do a bit with it. It'll have multiple rooms and basic CRUD for them, so users can create rooms, the creator of a room can edit the room, users can join multiple rooms. Basic auth, so we can keep track of which user is the owner or the admin of each room. We'll use the new Phoenix 1.4 channels, which obviously is a perfect fit for a chat server. We'll use Cowboy 2. It's not directly related to Phoenix, but we'll also set up SCSS with Babel and Webpack so that those of you who are migrating from Brunch and earlier versions of Phoenix can see an example that works. And finally, there may or may not be more to this project than a simple chat server. Hypothetically, if there were an Easter egg hidden way back in the very first video series on Alchemist.camp, and people had found that Easter egg on the site and been awarded purple elixir, they might have access to an additional set of videos hidden from everybody else. But that's just speculation. Nobody can really say, and I sure won't say anything more about it. If you haven't already, subscribe on YouTube, click the bell, sign up on alchemist.camp, and we'll get started next video.